Hello, we're going to look at how to insert using the camera. You can use any camera, webcam that you have. Our Recordex Simplicity document camera is wonderful as well. So here I have an image of the United States. This would be great for any class. As you can see, I have it pulled up on the document camera. With this, we can focus on a section at a time. If you want to focus on the top section of the United States, you can do so. If you want to focus from east to west instead of north to south, you can do that. If you're looking at the 13 colonies, that's the easiest way to hide it, to focus on that. You can also use that laser pointer. Remember, you can change the size by going to your options of how big that laser pointer is. You can also change the opacity of that laser pointer. And then you can also zoom in or pinpoint where you would like for the students to focus their attention, using either the circle or the square to pinpoint their attention. You can also use the magnifying tool, and you can use the circle or the square again. You can draw their attention to specific states and locations using that magnifying tool. You can zoom bigger or smaller. You can make that zoom circle larger as well as you zoom in to those specific locations. And then, of course, you can annotate on top of these images either using a pen or a text box. Okay, so there's an example of the pen. Let's go ahead and do a text box. Make sure that your font and your background are cohesive so that that's easy to see. And then we can type in the name of the state that we want. And we can change our font size as needed. Make sure you highlight the font that you want to have changed. Select the size. And then you can choose that selection tool. And then you can change the size of your label. Okay. So just a quick way to show you how to use that document camera, how to use some of the annotation tools and presentation tools available.